Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss price configuration. From the table screen, click on the menu button to open the left side menu. From there, select Administration, and then click on Price Configuration. This will take you to the price configuration screen, where you can view all pricing details. To make changes, click on the Edit Configuration button. First, select the customer. Next, choose the currency. After that, select the sales type. Finally, set the default status. Once all the details are selected, click on Save Changes. And that's it, you have successfully configured the pricing settings in Spirit VPOS.